days when nothing goes right. I think this is one of those days. Got a full agenda today, but first thing we're going to do is the Suzuki's thirsty. So let's fill her up. Typo's just taken a piss in a puddle and then drank out of it. Here are the sheep. They are being collected later, but these are the ones we are taking now. They need to go through the footbath and down the lane. I bought the GoPro today, so we're going to get some sick footage. And I bought the drone, fully sick footage, if it'll turn on. I haven't turned it on in a couple of years. Oh, there we go. So this is the tail end of our lambs. I do need to count them. Good girl. There's no way you don't all fit in there. There's no way. Yeah, what's that for? Look at all that space. No way you don't all fit in there. Good girl. Hold them there. Come on, move up. Now we take them back to the paddock and that sun is bright. I have another drink. That puddle looks nice. I think I saw a lamb over here that's gone through the fence. I did. Isn't that awesome? Go around. Great job, Typo. You're doing really well. Typo, get through. Get through. Typo, get through. Go. Typo. Good girl. Can one of you do something, please? Do something! For fuck's sake. Can we fucking walk, please? Thanks a lot. All your friends have left now, and that's your own fucking fault. Go! Dude, come on, let's go. Thank you. What the fuck do I do? I just wait. Right, I guess we're walking. I'm walking away. It fucking stopped. Bitch! I'm so glad I didn't get down the lane. We are off again. Can you think, dude? My God. Typo. Always fucking dickheads that think they know where they're going and fucking don't. I've got to go get the car because they've run the entire length of the paddock. We're stuck behind the gate and we try again. Are we going to make it in the paddock this time? You know what would be great? If you were actually doing something of use.
I'm just a big toasty cinnamon bun.
Next job on the agenda is feeding the sheep. Handbrake is up. Then why are we rolling? We're jumped back in the uterus and we're putting the feed cart on. Yes, we're going to go feed when everything is working so well today. Okay, there's the tow ball. Yeah, I know the vehicle's on and I know the door's open. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Apparently I'm half asleep because I didn't put tow ball on properly. Find a shifter and put the tow ball. Got to tighten it. Chain's lost its D-shackle, so I've got to go find another D-shackle. Running low on D-shackles because everyone keeps losing them in the paddocks. Going so well. Shifter's not in its usual place.
Oh, everything here is fantastic.
We're off, finally. Let's go fill up. Maybe the auger won't work. So, first thing is, I found the tow ball. Here it is. We're gonna need to change it. I'll take blame for that. That was my fault. Second thing is I found my sunnies. I'm thrilled about it. This day might be turning around. Don't you agree, Skug? I'm now very suspicious. The back bin won't open, I don't know why, because there's power to it, so I don't know. I have discovered why it's not working. The trailer's broken, can someone fix it? The wire came off. Take two. Hopefully we work this time. That is the last lot done. Now, I think we're going to go feed some hay. Lunchtime, we're pretty much doing is we're loading that this afternoon. So now we're just going through and we're making sure the top number matches this. We just got to keep going down the list. This is where it's come from. This is the farm. Then AAA means long, and then crossbred sheep, and then the bale number. That's basically what that means. This shed's done. We're moving over to that shed. There's meant to be the rest of them, -3, is meant to be in that shed. We are missing one bale, and I suspect it is this bale. It's not labelled at the top. There should be a number 39 right there. No, that's classer stamp. There. Should be a number 39. There is no bale. However, I've been looking everywhere for this bale. Here it is. Number 39. Bellies. I found it. Job done.